to have a quick look at what the ports look like on this 7550-48ZP. So the bottom one here, you've got 36 ports of what they call multi-gig light. So it's 10, 100, 1 gig, 2.5 gig Ethernet. And it supports 90 watt PoE or 802.3 BT. And then you've got 12 ports of 100, 1 gig, 2.5 gig, 5 gig, 10 gig. So full multi-gig. So the other ones were up to 2.5 gigs. These ones are up to 10 gigs, including 5 gig Ethernet. Also supporting 90 watt PoE and UPoE. Then we have the breakout ports. So these are the integrated ports. So there's 2 ports of 40 gig for stack or uplink. They're also breakout capable, so both ports are capable of 4x10 gig with the breakout cable, or the bottom one is capable of 4x25 with a breakout cable. And then there's the optional module. So that optional module could be one 100 gig Ethernet port, it could be 2 40 gig QSFP pluses, or it could be 40 10 gig SFP plus with MaxSec in that case. So any of those are options. I just got in a ICX7550-48ZP, and I thought I'd do a little what's in the box, show you what this thing looks like in case you've never seen one. So let's have a look. So what we have here is 48 ports on the front end, and there is 2 40 gig ports on the front. There's another modular slot, and I have a module here to go in that slot. We see a status button. There is a console port here. On the back side, there is redundant power supplies. They don't all come with redundant power supplies. This one does. So redundant power supplies. There is a serial console port. There is an out-of-band management port. There is a USB, and then there's a timing port there. There's also the 3 fan trays that comes included. So that's the basic characteristics of the switch itself. Then it also comes with a serial to DB9 to RJ45 console, 2 power cords in this case because it has redundant power supplies. They don't all do, right? So some of them only come with a single. And then a few little treats. Also, it comes with this, so just rubber basically. Rubber feet if you want to do that. This envelope, grounding lug and grounding screw. This envelope comes with this is a rack mount kit, so the rack mount kit is included in that envelope. Screws for the rack mount kit are there, as well as just some rack lugs. So if you need those for your rack, those are included there. So that's it, rack mount kit there. And then it comes with this really wrapped in this nice cloth bag, little documentation and warnings. There is also a couple of plastic cable retainers. So basically cable zips to keep your cables. And then lastly, this is optional, but it came with the, this is a
4x10 gig fiber module to go in that front slot. So there's other modules that are possible, but this one happens to be the 4x10 gig fiber. So that just slides into the module slot when you take that screw out. Easy as that. But that's pretty much it. So there's a few different models of the 7550. Again, this is the 48ZP. So that's it. That's what comes in the box. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.